Alright, so I'm going to ask you, if you don't mind, to put cards face down on the table, one by one, and you can stop at any time you want. Alright, now can you please do 4 piles along the table with that little package? Now, one last thing. It wouldn't be amazing if the 4 cards were kind of similar. Let's see, turn over the top card from each and every pile. Wow, there you go. Now let's try something a little different this time. Can you please cut a little pile from here? Now, by just looking, how many cards do you think you have right there?
10.
About 10. Okay, let's count it on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, pretty close, 11 cards. Okay, so this time let's do 3 piles, individual piles. Okay, now this time I'm gonna ask you, with this card, just put a corner in this little package and see where do you put it. Okay, this card actually is just an indicator card. Okay, you actually stop it right here in one of the kings. Well, that's actually a prediction because right here we have the rest of the kings. Okay, so this is quite easy self-working trick. You need any 4 of a kind at the bottom, and you know, other, in this case the 4 aces, 4 of a kind on top, or vice versa. Okay, you can do false cuts or 4 shuffles. Then when you add the spectator, you know, to put cards face down on the table. You don't mind. As you notice, the spectator is putting the 4 cards, and after she exceeds the 4 cards, you ask the spectator, you know, they can stop at any time they want. This time the 4 aces are at the bottom, and when they do the 4 piles, you don't mind, they are gonna end up actually on top, the 4 aces. So that's a quite easy self-working technique. Now, right when she's doing that, the spectator is doing that, you need to do a pinky break under the 3 cards, which is the kings. And I'm gonna do false cuts or any pass, whatever you want to do. The point is the spectator is gonna be distracted by doing what they're doing, and then they turn the cards over, and they're gonna be the 4 of a kind. Okay. Now that's the first part. You can stop right there. And another similar technique, this is actually a second trick. You have the 4 kings right here, and you are gonna have the spectator to cut anywhere they want. And you know, that's an excuse to see how many cards they have, so they can reverse the order, so the kings can end up at the bottom before the 3 piles. Go ahead. While the spectator is doing that, I'm taking 2 cards from the bottom, and again as a pinky break, and then whatever quantity she has. Now do 3 piles, please. I have a pinky break right under the bottom 2 cards, and any method you want to use, you know, you just move the other 4 of a kind second from the top. And I already explained this force. This is actually a forcing card. By using this method, the spectator is putting an indifferent card in the corner, and this is an indicator card. Okay, so by doing this force, you just go to this video footnote for a little more details in this force. And then I control it, the top card right here, which this is the force card, and the kings. This is supposed to be the prediction, that's the excuse, and the other ones are gonna be in the next 3 piles. And that's it. That's a self-working trick.